In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Wix website to Wix Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Wix Studio is a new platform from Wix with advanced design and development capabilities. It is designed for agencies and professionals who manage multiple websites. So I'm going to be talking about how to transfer this, and I'm going to be talking about the differences between the Wix editor and the Wix Studio editor. So the Wix editor is the standard one that you are familiar with. Now, the Wix Studio Editor is a new, more powerful editor with advanced features like responsive AI, custom CSS, and more. So, to switch, you will not be transferring in the traditional sense. Essentially, you are going to upgrade your Wix account to a Wix Studio account. So go over to the website at wix.com/studio, sign into your account, and then click the option to start creating. You will see a window like this. Create with Wix Studio built for the needs of agencies and freelancers. So, as you can see at the bottom, the note says, this will move all of your existing Wix sites into a new Studio workspace and give you access to Studio tool and features. So just click the option to try and you will be able to choose how to set up your workspace. So you can start designing a new site or generate a site structure with AI. You can also click set up your workspace at the bottom. In here, you can give your workspace a name, and then set up everything. Now, of course, I'm speeding through this just to showcase how it looks, but you can take your time and carefully set everything up. And once you are here, you will be good to go. Now, you can choose the option to create a new site or start with a template, and you will be able to transfer over all of your sites from the standard Wix page. So, you can also choose the option to build with the Wix editor at the bottom, and this will allow you to set up your website from here. Choose any of the options available, and they make it extremely convenient to go through the whole process. They will give you suggestions midway through, and you can open your Wix dashboard just like this. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Wix website to Wix Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.